The island of Mauritius, situated off the east coast of Africa in the Indian Ocean, appears like a safe paradise for the Europeans for sunbathing, and for Indians a place where there is banyan tree to Ganga Jal and several temples, as 51% of the population are of Indian origin. The hotel La Plantation is where I am standing now on its beach. It's calm and quiet as people are asleep. Me and some fishermen are the only one who are awake now. I'm staying in one of those villas, having come for the Global Medicinal Plant Conference organized by Bangalore University, my alma mater. Yes, there are bougainvilleas and other flora, and coconut everywhere, but not a shell to drink. I've been trying. The main pool is quiet now. I may be taking a dip later. And not to forget banana and mango trees and of course the hibiscus, and a shallow fountain that leads on to the main lobby and the restaurant and bar. This is some of the native paintings with bright colors representative of island and the influence of Indian and African. The breakfast buffet is rich and includes my favorite coconut. This is a natural flower arrangement. With the tamarind tree, needless to say, who would have climbed on the tree? Yes, this is truly a banyan tree and a tulsi underneath. Seated on the Hunsekai Mara are these very colorful birds. Yes, you guessed it. A biodegradable coconut broom, not plastic. India is alive and well here in Mauritius. The sunset from the Hotel Plantation. This is evening in Mauritius. The romance of the banyan tree with the sunset makes it more sacred and unforgettable. One is breathless watching this. This is waterfront of Port Louis, the main city of Mauritius. There are young people and Coca-Cola. Unfortunately, I mean not the young people, but the Coca-Cola. Books on epilepsy, depression, to learn yoga on weekend. 66% of the population are of Indian origin. And they come from mostly Tamil Nadu, the part with Andhra Pradesh, Bihar and Maharashtra, both Hindus and Muslims. The shopping mall, one can see the cost of living going up. And the Pizza Hut and the Namaste Indian restaurant for me. Here is the port, and of course Mauritius is located on the Indian Ocean, and a 5-star hotel on the beach front with no beach here of course because it's more of a downtown. Another view of the city with the waterfront. Hibiscus in Pizza Hut area. The shopping mall with the kids having fun. She has a better smile than her sisters. What is a harbor without a casino? The statue is that of Shiv Sagar Ram Gulal, the man who was responsible for the independence of the island.
Qu'est-ce qu'il a donné après? De réfléchir, vu qu'il ne peut pas aller à personne.
Non, au contraire, à ce moment-là, il faut faire le guide.
Non, du tout, parce que ça aussi on en a pas. On a dit comme ça, analyse en quelqu'un, on va essayer.
The language you just heard, the local language, it's a blend of French, some Hindi words and all. Another part of the shopping area. In the middle of the mountain is the Kailasam, often called as Tamil temple, because I think it is a Tamilian predominated. Tamils were the first to descend onto this island as laborers bought by the British when the island abolished slavery, as they could no longer get Africans. Inside the temple is a bilvam, which is the favorite for Shiva Puja, and neem. This is neem, this is the bilvam. Inside the temple is the Institute of Vocational Education. In front of this, possibly Agastya with the mango tree in the back with flowers. In 3 months in December there will be good mangoes. As I see Nandi moving up is the mango fruits in blossom, good for vadumanga pickles. Inside the temple is Ficus religiosa tree, and the main entrance to the temple with the gopuram, all designed on the South Indian architecture. The colorful decor and the art from the ceiling down with the Dwarapalaka and Dvajastambhas. Another angle of the Dwarapalaka. There is Balipitam, Dvajastambham, Nandi, this is the Citadel on the top of the mountain. With the view. This is the race course, world's second oldest one. In the city, of course, with the port on the other side. Here is one of the mosques with the minaret. Closer view now. This is on the way to nature park in Mauritius. I am photographing through a fence with the winds blowing. This is our van, the Tom Tom tour. waterfall. With the tree and the boat. This is a national park. In front of every Mauritian Hindu home, there is this Hanumanji. They first worship Hanumanji, then worship Tulsi, first thing in the morning, then go inside the home and do puja. Majority of Hindus are vegetarians, despite they coming as a labor force in the 18th century. Flag on the top has Hanumanji, maybe some relationship because this is an island, and on the other side of the flag is Om. The antirrhinums are grown here for export. This is one of the major flowers exported from Mauritius.
Can we have it here growing it in our place?
Further plants with crotons.
Nice view.
These big ones, those are not the rings for the age. They were just born like this. That's why, but I suspect this somewhere around 70.
70 years.
Yeah, you can sit
It lives more than 180 years.
Yes, I think this is not 70, it's 80s. Yeah.
All right, very nice.
No,
More close up of the face.
how's your...
They planted dotted brush all over the road. Going to the temple, no?
Yeah. There are no snakes in Mauritius. That's what they tell me.
Wow, he just hold it like this. Wow, look. Look.
Don't go.
Control.
Take away.
This is
From that parenchymatous mass, we are going to get a plant.
Another part of the Botanical Garden, rather national park. The amazing combination of tree, the way that the branches have moved up.
I mean, if we can go there. No.
Don't know name of this flower. It sure looks beautiful.
And the fruit is it.
This is the cinnamon tree. Tamil is pate. Teak tree.
We have 100 girta fruit here.
Camphor tree. The resin of it is used as a camphor. The tree is bleeding blood. Can have a lot of symbolic meaning depending on the religion. African Kalabasha sausage tree. If it falls on your head, you are dead. It's a member of ginger family. This is not an orchid.
Gingerbread family.
Gingerberaceae family.
See the flower. That's a brazil.
Eugenia caryophylla or lavang.
Eugenia calyophylla.
Dalchini or what is called biryani leaf.
Get some cup of tea.
One more.
Nutmeg.
Not necessarily.
In Tamil it's called Jadi
Inside,
Patri.
looking a brain. Eril.
Victoria Regia or water lily. Zanzibar, member of Ginger.
Ginger,
family.
yes, I don't know much.
Mahogany tree in the background from which the furniture is made. Lotus pond. Tanzania Philippina. Looks like a silk flower. Terminalia Arjuna.
The fungus don't attack the ebony tree, so it's the only
Ebony
one.
wood.
Ebony tree. Most expensive tree.
No, agarwood is a white.
Flame of the forest. This is what you call user-friendly coconut palm, so that you can pluck the fruits more easily. Rudrakshi tree. Shivasagar Ramgulam Samadhi was cremated. I think the ashes are buried or in his memory.